The Reinforced AI service. This is a service for finding bugs and writing tests. Everything is built around projects. A project is a single entity, some piece of functionality that can be tested together. A project can consist of several repositories. In this case, we've loaded some repositories from our GitHub. Next, we need to specify at least one repository that will be under test. And we can additionally specify a repository that is auxiliary, which will serve as some context for the agents to study your product and better understand your product. For example, documentation fits well here. Here we can specify a default scope and everything we exclude from this scope. The project currently consists of 3 workflows. It all starts with the onboarding workflow. During the onboarding execution, we will create a database and useful context that will be reused by all subsequent agents, all subsequent workflows, such as bug hunting, writing tests. We can see the execution result in the logs. Also, our workflow creates artifacts. This is our future knowledge base. The onboarding workflow completed successfully, and now we can run other workflows, for example, writing tests or finding bugs. All knowledge is saved and contained in the library. We can look for bugs. We have a separate workflow for this here. If we want, we can override the default values. For example, change the branch for the project under test. We can enable auto mode. This will allow the workflow to run continuously. Or if we want to maintain control, we can turn off auto mode. In that case, we'll have to approve certain actions ourselves. In this case, we turned off auto mode, so we need to approve for the found vulnerabilities. We can review all the bugs and give our conclusion if we think these bugs are insignificant. In this case, I'll approve. Our workflow continues. As a result, we got a certain number of bugs. All these bugs are saved on the Bugs tab, and you can manage them from here. The test writing workflow works in a similar way.